Hi, I'm Stacy from SecureAuth, and in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to integrate Office 365 with the SecureAuth Identity Platform. With your policy and MFA methods configured, you can now move on to the Application Manager to integrate Office 365. The Application Manager will show the list of all of your currently integrated applications, which can easily be edited by clicking the edit icon here, but instead we're going to add an application. You can select a generic SAML or WS Federation application, or you can choose one from our numerous application templates. The application template library can be updated or enhanced at any point, so you don't have to wait for a new version of IDP to get the latest application templates. You can scroll through to find the application that you want, or you can use the search bar to quickly find the one that you need. Click Select and go ahead. On this initial screen, you can provide some basic details about the integration, including an updated application name, an internal application description, and you can upload a new logo if you'd like. Here you will select your authentication policy. This list is populated by the list of policies that you have configured in the Policies section. You always have your factory default policy, which will be the one selected always. If you want to choose a different policy, simply click that instead. Select the data store that you've integrated where your users reside, and then you can restrict the access to any groups. Or you can simply say, allow every group in your selected data store to access this application. And then click Continue. For the User ID profile field, the description tells me this is the object GUID, which I've already mapped to my AUX ID 2, so there's nothing I need to do here. The SecureAuth public hostname is the fully qualified domain name of your SecureAuth appliance per this tooltip, so that's easy enough to configure. The Office 365 login URL is optional per this tooltip, so I'm going to leave it blank. Everything else seems fine to me, with the exception of me requiring a certificate. Select that and move on. I am not using legacy Office 365, so I do not need the endpoints. However, it's incredibly easy to enable that simply by switching the toggle. There are attributes required out of the box here, and the namespace tells me this is the UPN, the user principal name, which I have mapped to AUX ID 1. And then the immutable ID is the same as the object GUID, which we've mapped to AUX ID 2. Now I can add application. Okay. Now my application was added successfully. Here's some information, and I'm ready to go. Now my application has been added successfully. I see some information for my service provider that I can use on that side of the configuration, including login, logout URL, the issuer, and my certificate that I can download. Unique to Office 365 is this PowerShell script that I can click to copy so that when I run PowerShell for Office 365, I already have most of the values inputted, and it makes it easier for me. On the summary page, I can see everything about my Office 365 integration, including my login URL here, the data store connection. I can access my info for service providers at any point, and I can also see the authentication policy selected here, which is my secure policy. If I want to edit that here, I simply click the edit icon and instead select the default policy. Update settings, and now we're good. So it's listed here as factory default policy, and if I went back to my policies and looked at my default policies, I would now see under Resources, Office 365. And that's how easy it is to integrate Office 365 with the SecureAuth Identity Platform with adaptive authentication and various multi-factor authentication methods. Thanks for joining us today. To learn more, visit www.secureauth.com.